Hey guys, Ivan is here and as always coming at you with the latest market report. This time is for the month of September. So let's take a look at the numbers. So if you remember a couple of weeks ago I recorded a video where I was talking about Assetsucasa projecting a price increase of 5% between August and the end of September. Well, that projection came true and then some because the prices have increased by 6.1% instead of 5. This September was the third busiest September in the history. So quite a lot to talk about. So let's begin. So as expected, majority of the buyers that were putting off the purchase of the house in the slower months of the year, for July and August, came back to the market in September, and that resulted in this massive amount of demand. So we had 9,046 transactions all across the GTA, and this, when compared to 2020, is actually 18.3% less than last year. The average home price has reached 1.1 million 36,000, and the overall price change year over year was 19.1%. So a total of 13,483 homes hit the market in September, and again, right, so 13,000 versus 9,000 transactions, so you can imagine how busy the market was. The amount of homes that hit the market was actually 34% less than 2020, again. So a total of 13,483 homes hit the market in September, and again, right, so 13,000 versus 9,000 transactions, so you can imagine how busy the market was. The amount of homes that hit the market was actually 34% less than 2020. Again, we're comparing it to 2020, which was an outlier year. This is not a common year we're comparing it to. But the demand has hit a point where our president, Kevin Crigger, the Toronto Real Estate Board president, has issued a statement saying that lack of housing supply and choice have reached a critical level, which is probably not a news for anybody, but definitely something to be aware of. So let's take a look at the statistics in the GTA, and then we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what was going on in the city of Toronto. So in the GTA, the detached houses went up by 29% in price year over year, semi-detached houses by 21%, condo townhouses by 20%, and condo apartments by 12%. Now, what's interesting is what was going on in terms of the sales. The sales for detached homes have dropped by 30%. Semi-detached houses sold 28% less than last year, and condo townhouses sold 13% less than last year. The only asset class that is experiencing an increase in sales right now is condos. Condos went up by 13%, and this is because they're making a huge comeback right now from a little bit of a lull in 2020. Condos came back and they seem to be coming back with a bang. Things moving a little bit slower in Toronto. So for example, detached houses have increased in price by 20%. Semi-detached homes and condo townhouses went up by 14% each, and condo apartments went up by 9%. Also, the sales data is quite different when compared to GTA. 23% less detached homes sold this year, as well as semi-detached, also 23%. Condo townhouses, only 3% less than last year in terms of sales, and 16% increase in sales in condo apartments in the city. So you can see that the prices are growing faster right now outside the city than there are in Toronto. So for example, Simcoe and Durham regions both have experienced a 32% increase year over year. But sales in Simcoe dropped 39%, and sales in Durham dropped by 33%. Peel region increased by 20% in price, and sales dropped by 23%. Halton went up by 15%, sales dropped by 28%. York region continues to be the priciest of all the GTA, and the prices increased by 27%, sales dropped by 17%. Finally, the Dufferin County has seen a decline of 42%. This September, they had 47 transactions total, and the prices went up by 15%. So in terms of what to expect from the market going forward, in any case, guys, I hope you find this information